talking about these Ranger XL portable working systems from R&R Livestock Equipment. These have become a very popular option for us. We've sold quite a few of these in the past couple of years since we've been carrying them. It's really the ultimate package for your cattle operation. If you have all sorts of stockers or cows on different pastures and everything, and don't have them at a central location, you can take the working system to them. So these are really handy, great machines. Let's go ahead and get started with looking at the features and benefits of this setup. So you'll notice here, so kind of starting from the top all the way back, everything is full hydraulic. It's all plumbed together with hydraulic cylinders, and they come pre-packaged with a Honda engine and pump and its own independent hydraulic system. And so this will power the entire setup. This is a parallel squeeze chute. So everything comes in all at one time. You don't have the vertical squeeze where you need any adjustments. You can run baby calves through here, 3-4 weight calves, all the way up to mature calves. So without needing to do any adjustments. Again, everything on here is fully hydraulic, so you've got a hydraulic head holder over here. On these, you've got several different ways to open this and access the cow or calf once it's in the chute. You've got a rump bar over here to kind of push them up, and then also a wrist bar to kind of keep them from so it kind of catches them from falling down in the chute. These we also have lifetime Shelby flooring installed. It's cut to length at the factory and riveted down on these bases. So really good stuff. Gives them good traction, especially as the day goes on. They're not slipping down, falling on manure and stuff like that. It's nice and needed. This is a fully adjustable alley. You can adjust top and bottom on a single point. So if you need to have it wider, narrower, depending on what size calves or cows you're running through the chute. You can also operate the chute gate and the tub gate from either here or this console right here. Let's take a look at this console right here because I want to talk about that. So it's a nice intuitive design. It lines up left to right on functionality. And so the far left lever is going to be for the head holder. The second one is going to be for the head gate. Third one is going to be for the parallel squeeze. And then you've got your two gates. So the chute gate and the one going from the tub to the alley. So, all right. Let's go ahead and run it, shall we? Or let me point out here this too. This does swing all the way around in case you get into an area where you have to run it on the right side versus the left side. You can swing this around, just everything's going to be backwards. I've done that before. Works really nicely. So let's take a look at the Honda engine. Good quality made, and you don't have to run this thing at full throttle either to get all the functionality for the hydraulics. So let's take a look there. Okay. What I like about this too is that you've got all hydraulic jacks. All these cylinders come down and raise the rear and raise the front on the tongue. So you're not having to sit out there in the heat of the summer day, July, 110 degrees, cranking on a jack, trying to get everything lined up. Now you're going to have to raise it off the ground to get the tires off. also have a guy running your tub, feeding cattle in, everything like that. So, also, if you'll notice, I've got the engine right now revved up a little bit. It's about half throttle. You can run this at a little bit less. It really doesn't take much to get the revolutions going and everything like that. And of course, I forgot to mention, but in this case, we're not going to do it for this demonstration, but you know, you'll of course detach that front jack. Those are quick couplers on the hydraulics, and so you can just fast attach those. The whole tongue assembly will pull out, and then you're ready to work some cattle. Thank you guys so much for taking time to listen to this presentation, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.